Hey YouTube, I'm back with mini mock number 7. This time it's a bow and arrow. So I'll show you how to load it. This goes right in there. And then when you pull it back, this launches out of here. This like hits here and then this launches out. And so that's how you load it. So it goes pretty far. So like, comment if you want to see the mechanism or how-to of this. It's a 1x2x3. It's fully functional. Just comment if you want to see like how to build it or like just the mechanism. So it's pretty cool. So here's a video of the bow and arrow of me and my friend shooting some targets in slow motion.